Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've unboxed the items and I want to show you what I think I can get out of each one. All right, so the specs again, that this was a toy box with Legos, Guardian of the Galaxy, Our Generation, some of the other things in it. And it cost me $159.65. There were 31 items in the box. And I broke it down to make each item was going to be $5.15 a piece after shipping. And so the $159.65 does include my shipping cost for the case. So I think the original price was $125, and so I paid a little bit in taxes and shipping, but I always include that in my cost of purchase. So 28 of these items I can sell, and so it brings my product cost up to $5.70 per item. But let me break it down and tell you what I'm going to sell and what I'm not going to sell. These little swimmer diapers, they're both opened. I'm not going to sell them. I'm going to find someone with a baby and hand them along because they're still brand new. They're just the bag got ripped open. This right here is a Skip Hop Soft Activity Book. I'm actually restricted on Amazon from selling it, which is kind of a bummer because they're selling for about $15 on Amazon. I looked them up on eBay. On eBay, I think I could probably get about $5 a piece in profit after the eBay fees. So I think I've got 3 of them. I can make about 15 bucks on those. This little Pegasus from the Sophia the First Disney series, I can sell on Amazon, and I'm going to be making about $10.66. That's after fees, and so I'm taking out all of my Amazon fees, but I'm not taking out my cost of purchase till the very end. Okay, so $10.66. I know you want me to talk about Guardians of the Galaxy because I've got a bazillion boxes here, but I'm going to wait till the end just so you watch my whole video. Haha. Anyway, these Spider-Mans, I just looked them up as brand new. I'm obviously not going to sell them as brand new, but it gives you an idea of how much they're actually worth. So this black suit Spider-Man, after Amazon fees, it's going to be about $7.82. So because the box is opened, I'll probably go ahead and sell it on eBay and maybe only make about $4 or $5 on it. It's still a new item. This red suit Spider-Man, worth a little bit more. It's the Titan series. It's $8.11. And so I'll do the same thing with that one. I'll probably sell it on eBay because of the condition of the box. Now, the My Generation dolls. This one is My Generation Tyler doll. I've got 2 of these. If I sold them brand new on Amazon, after fees, I'd get about $14.17. But as you can see, the condition of the box is not great. And so I looked it up and I can sell them on eBay and probably make actually $15. I might be able to make even more on eBay for these, even in the condition of the box, because the brand new ones were selling anywhere from $44 to about $35. So I think I can sell them with a damaged box for about 15 bucks of profit. So I'll probably sell them for around $16, $17. I'll take care of my eBay fees, and then I'll do about 15 bucks a piece on those. So that's about $30, and I will probably sell them under the condition pre-owned and then state the condition of the box in them. The Legos were my big bopper in this box. I wish I had a bunch more of these Lego boxes, but these Harry Potter Legos I can actually sell on Amazon. I am not restricted. Some people are, but I am not. I've gone through the steps to get ungated. $42.07 a piece after fees, because they're actually selling for around 50 or 60 bucks. So $42.07 times 2. So I'm basically getting about 80 bucks on those 2 boxes. Now I've got 18 of these Guardians of the Galaxy figurines, and they're all in great brand new condition. And on Amazon, I am able to sell them for $11.52, which makes a total of 18 of them, $207.36 that I can make just off the Guardians of the Galaxy. It'll take me no time to just list that, throw all the labels on. One thing too is I tried to get unrestricted in this category, but because it's baby toys, you need a lot more steps to go through, so I was not able to. But there was the black suit Spider-Man I was actually originally restricted in, and it took me a couple of steps to just request approval, and I was able to get unrestricted. So don't just disregard it. I usually will jump on the actual Amazon seller from my desktop internet on my phone, and you can get unrestricted. It doesn't work from the app, just so you know. So grand total, I spent $159.65. I think I can make conservatively $363.09. When I take my cost off, that means I will be profiting in my pocket $203.44 off this Uninspectd returns bulk box that I paid $159 for. So hopefully this has been helpful. Hopefully you've learned some stuff in this video, and I hope you catch my other videos in the future. And if you haven't seen any of my other unboxings, check them out. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Check that notifications button so anytime I send out a new video, you'll be alerted. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.